Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for WiserNotify. In this video, we'll cover how to resolve common notification issues, like when the notification isn't visible or the pixel code hasn't been installed correctly. Let's get started. If your notification status shows "Not Seen," it means your website's pixel code is either not installed properly or hasn't recorded any activity in the last 24 hours. Let's troubleshoot this issue step by step. Click the Troubleshoot link next to the notification to open this pop-up. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the page where you expect the notification to appear and click on Verify Pixel. If the pixel code isn't found or no one visits the site after installing it, you'll see this red error. No visits in the last 24 hours, or the pixel isn't installed. So, first, ensure your pixel is installed on the page. Then, visit the page in your browser. After doing this, re-enter the page URL and click Verify Pixel. When the pixel code is successfully detected, you'll see this green confirmation. This page is loading the pixel code successfully. Click Continue to Troubleshoot to proceed. After confirming the pixel code is active, you'll see the Debugging Review panel. This will check for 4 key configurations: pixel code, whether it's detected; design, configured successfully or not; display rules, pages are targeted successfully or not; data source. It verifies if the notification has real data to display. If all sections are green, congratulations. Your notification is correctly configured and should now display on the page. If any section is marked with a red warning, like this data source issue, it means there's a configuration error. In this example, no real data is available for the notification. To fix this, go to Customize Data Source and connect your data source, like sales, signups, or reviews. That's it for this troubleshooting guide. Most issues can be resolved by ensuring the pixel code is installed, your page gets few visits, and design, display, and data source configurations are properly set. If you still face any issues, please talk with our live chat support team.